And the last thing I'm gonna do is cheeks. Now.
Okay, now we're gonna dip her in and see if she'll scrub off.
We need to make her scrub off. Welcome to Learning League. So,
Hi.
hi.
Welcome to
Learning League. So this thing comes from the Easter Bunny. Feel it.
Ooh, yeah, we got this.
Oh.
It's called Crayola Scrubby Pets. Color and clean adorable little pets. Scribble, scrub, and scribble again.
On the back, this is what we can collect.
Yep. Let me look. There's Fiona, which looks like a rat. Fifi, looks like a cat. Figaro is a dog. Wilbur's a dog. Pet Sue is the bunny. That's a different bunny. You got, I think, Clyde. Clyde the bunny. There's Kip, Mika, Peach, Francesca, and Scooter. From the makers of Crayola.
I like that one.
All right.
I like that one.
Yeah, that one's Mika. Okay.
I like this toy bunny.
So first you gotta draw on her.
So I'm gonna draw. Are you sure this is gonna wash off?
I don't know, we're gonna see. We are gonna see if she washes off. Oh, I like her design.
I should just smell it. So I'm gonna just
Little bunny.
stripe, and then color her tail like stripes. And then I'm gonna color her bottom, like her leg, and leg again, and then leg again.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a little bit of purple because
A little bit of purple, all right.
Ah! I'm gonna do the nose purple. The nose is really cute purple.
She is the cutest little bunny.
Cute.
Comes with these markers that are scrubby markers. They're for this project. I think they're washable and that's why. Ultra clean washable Crayola scrubby markers. We have red, orange, and purple.
Red, orange? We don't have red.
This is called a red orange. And that one is called, can I see it?
Yeah.
Let's see what this one's called.
Hey, who's drawing?
This one's called Wild Orchid.
Coming on my hand. I'm gonna do dots. This is gonna take a long time. So just dot on one E here and dot on the other. And the last thing I'm gonna do is cheeks. Now.
Okay, now we're gonna dip her in and see if she'll scrub off.
We need to make her scrub off.
Oh, it's washing off of her. That is so cool. That is so cool. So she can do different ones and then just wash it off. That is awesome, Soph.
I want to get her all clean. Just scrub her back, scrub her head, scrub her head.
What a cute little bunny.
And then
Is she all clean?
dry her again.
Let me see her. Let me make sure she's all clean. That is crazy.
There's a little bit of orange on here.
Yeah.
And then scrub it in.
That is really cool.
And then scrub again.
So what do you think about this project? Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? It's really cool that you can wash it off and try again.
Yeah. If your
Good
pet
job,
gets
Crayola.
dirty,
That's an awesome little project.
if it gets dirty in here, you can just wash it off with your bath.
I love
She's
it.
taking a little bath.
That is really, really cool.
Let's see if she can do it all by herself. Come on, scrub it up. She's scrubbing herself.
I really like it. And so what was her name again? Clyde. Clyde is her name. Or you could name her whatever you want to name her.
I'm gonna call her Rainbow Sparkles.
Rainbow Sparkles
Whoa.
the bunny. It's okay. All right. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Yum,